And it's no secret, it's hard to be a parent right now, but from questions about how to keep the learning going at home to just keeping your kids healthy. But add being pregnant on top of all of that. KSNT News reporter Kelly Saberi is live tonight to introduce us to a local woman who is opening up about her fears while she's just weeks away from her delivery. Kelly?
Brooke, while this woman may have fears about what's coming next, doctors here at St. Francis are making sure that the care they can give pregnant women is the best it can be. Now, they have an added challenge with this pandemic. Staff are having to limit the amount of people inside the delivery room, and that makes their support system even smaller. And if things get worse, well, they might just have to go through the whole thing alone. Kristen Adamson is no rookie in motherhood. 32 weeks into her pregnancy, a mother to 4 girls, and now
Lachlan Dean.
And a boy on the way. But she says bringing a new life into the world during a global pandemic is terrifying.
I just kind of feel like that's an understatement because, it's the fear of the unknown. You have no idea what tomorrow is going to bring. I don't know what 2 months is going to bring because I still have 2 months to go, and this could be so much worse.
As of Wednesday, current rules at the University of Kansas Health System St. Francis campus in Topeka say their visitor protocol is each patient gets 1 visitor. Before the pandemic, patients could have as many visitors as they wanted. The change is to help practice social distancing.
And we do give them a band that they keep on for the entire hospitalization so that we know if they do have to leave and come back.
That means just 1 band for just 1 person. They can't share the wristband with anyone else to maximize the amount of visitors. With the coronavirus being so new, the research is minimal. But doctors do know that pregnant women have weaker immune systems.
Pregnant women are always considered typically a little bit higher risk population
for things like the flu. And as for breastfeeding, studies show that breast milk has not been affected. But while this can be scary, Kristen says nothing will take away welcoming a new member to their family.
To anyone who's pregnant right now, getting ready to have a baby, we can only take this minute by minute, day by day.